Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Postal Market Analysis. Today is Tuesday, August 13, 2024. So, last night the futures open, and as you can see here, is chopping around and making the high and low on both sides. So, the indicator that I have is that it's kind of like it's probably, to be fair, it's really hard to kind of to say one way or the other. But there's some kind of like a symmetrical move here. Like here it kind of it move up here and then move down here, and this is kind of a symmetric move. I think it's around this kind of what the closing level, and this another symmetric level here, and of course this is between here and here. So it continued to make that big kind of almost like this very unstable. It kind of wobbling, and here is another going make a new high and come back down. Finally, it did not make it the low here. So that overall, we can see this color here, and this basically kind of showing like near some different levels where the things kind of like going, and apparently this is a very congested area, and lots of those kind of important level, and it's I guess at the end of the day is probably have to do it by counting how many, and or the trend that how many showing up. So in terms like here is apparently here looking a lot like this green color, and yeah, and this is kind of like propelling the market go higher, and it continue like so. It pull back here. It is showing those kind of the strength once it come back down to some important level, and here is like this is kind of like trying to cross this level. The thing is, this had already been, I would say, yeah, no, I would say is this, the fact is this had been like penetrated, and this is flashing kind of bearishness, but it was not able to go much lower here, and then the way that I look at it is that there is a kind of some selling coming in here, but the selling basically was not able, but the buying was able to get over those pressures and to go even higher. And this is around like an Asian market close, and market went to the pitching high here, and it's and here's going like yeah, keep going higher here, and actually it blasts through here, and one thing I would say, this is something really very cautious, and but so we can see here it's pretty resilient. I think in some sense is that this is one area can be seen as this kind of the zone, and but once this one got broken down and it went down to next kind of next layer, but it was able to come back, and apparently this when it get pretty close to this level, and the selling kind of came in, and that's how that looks like. It's like a the way that I think about it is like the fish kind of swimming to the to very close uh, to the barriers, and then it basically just turn around, go the other directions, and this is going pretty hard. I mean, from here it going really hard and very fast too, and this is literally in what, less than 1 hour. Actually, that's a kind of long, but it kind of tumbling down, went back down to this level, and the thing is the heel actually is quite interesting. Here is a flashing all kind of a green arrow going up, and here is another area flashing that, and this because it's went up above another level, and yeah, we do see these things came in like this is before this what it went to almost went back up of this what, how many points, kind of 24 points or something like that, and it's showing like that the kind of like the selling coming in, and yeah, so it push it down a bit here, and the thing is this is almost like a freak out moment here. This at 8:30, that's for PPI data release, and market have a huge push up here, and look at this. This bar essentially is like a 24.5 in size, and this bar itself actually is it's basically is this kind of like the distance like a here to the other low here. So and after that basically it's chopping around and waiting for the market to open, and once the market open we'll come over and look at here, and market kind of opened up pretty strong, but it kind of came down here, and later it was able to come back up about the middle, and as we can see here is a flashing this buy signal here that going up, and as usual when it get to this important level, and there's this kind of like the selling pressure come in, but pretty quickly it got kind of pushed through, and this level was bleached, and it's like once it got bleached, it's going to the next level up, and this is basically it's kind of about 24 points move here to here, and basically here is another one that coming down from here to all the way up to here. That's another level up, kind of moving here, and yeah, market basically it was able to continue to bleach that, push that through, and this is one other what I call base is able to push through that, and interesting enough here actually there's not really any, I mean, not many kind of sell side here, sell sign here, unit sell signal, and there was a little bit here, a little bit here, and but even here it is not shown at all. To me I think this is about that how I structure those level, and here is kind of this very quick push down here. Actually, if we look at the on the future side, it's pretty. It's even more structured in many sense here. So yeah, this the market open. The signal actually is really before the market open here already, and it's coming down. This signal coming down, not that much. It's except kind of for the right after the open is a bit kind of a push back down here. That's about about 23 points push. Yeah, but as we can see here, it's basically keep pushing through this level, and this big push down here, and on this side, it did not really kind of push below this half from here. So this like from here to here, it's about like a 12 points. Yeah, it later kind of keep going higher, and it's fascinating. From the low here, it went to here. It's like a 24 points, and yeah, basically it's like from here to here. That's 24 points, and market close around that area, so a little bit over there. So apparently that's very very bullish. Yeah, so Wednesday, the first things is 7 o'clock have the mortgage data, and then it's about 8:30 have the CPI data, like inflation rate and things like that, and then will be the 10:30 that's like oil inventory, and 11:30 there's a treasury bill auctions for 17 weeks, and pretty much that's it during the day. So it's all about the CPI data tomorrow at 8:30. Likely 8:30 will be another freaking moment, and so today it moved like 24 points, and tomorrow likelihood it's going to move another 24 points, and it's just that whether it's going to this one going to reverse kind of going low by like a 24 points, or going even higher for another 24 points. That's to be seen. So okay, wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.